Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on what to do if your account on Wise is being closed. So this is the response of Wise. So we understand it's concerning to receive an email that we are closing your Wise account. We know this can be disruptive and we never take this decision lightly. So we may close your account if its activity goes against the customer agreement and acceptable use policy for your region. So this could include things like trading in cryptocurrency, payments for illegal products or services, payments for restricted items like weaponry. Our policy are in place to keep money safe for everyone, and they are a key part of how we are regulated. So here is what happens before your account is fully closed. So they will send you an email letting you know that the date of your account will be fully closed. So until that date, there are some things that you can and you cannot do. So here are the things that you can still do. You can move money out of your account to bank account outside of Wise. You can withdraw your money, spend any remaining money from your balances using your Wise card, and your card will continue to work until the final closure date. So here are also the things that you can't do. Add money to your account, receive money into your account, pay for bills using direct debits, or any existing debit cards will be canceled. So before the closure date, you should move any remaining money and download any statements that you might need. So how do you get your remaining money? So as per Wise, we'll always do our best to return any money that you have with us. You usually have 90 days from when we first email you to move your money out. So if your account is still active, you can log in and send money to an external bank account yourself. So if your account is already deactivated, you will need to provide us with external bank details so we can return the funds to you by submitting a refund request. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!